Copy trading allows investors to copy professional traders automatically. Investors open their own accounts and then enable their trading interface to copy the trades of their selected professional. In this example, a trader places a trade on his account, which then sends that exact same trade out to one of his investors in Miami. This allows the investor to be able to relax and rely on his trader's professional abilities to generate him returns on his account. But in actuality, there are a lot more investors copying the same trader, and all of them would have received the exact same trade at the exact same time. What's great is that all of these investors have different brokers, but they all use the same trading interface known as MetaTrader 4. Let's look at Yaz from New York. He also received the exact same trade, but is using a different broker known as Forex.com. And if we jump over to see Jack from Sydney, he's using OctaFX, which is a recommended broker for Australians, and also received the same trades. If we now fly over to Berlin, Emma looked up reviews on regulated brokers and found Pepperstone to be her number one choice. And over in London, Atik has been copying trades with his MetaTrader 4 application provided by HYCM. And lastly, in Paris, Susan recently joined and was referred by Emma, and so Susan is using the same broker Emma recommended. So you guys can see that all of these investors are copying the same trader from different brokers, but are all using the same MetaTrader 4 application. And because of the flexibility, transparency, and security this provides, copy trading is becoming the number one choice for investors globally. And so now that you have a basic understanding of how copy trading works, let me show you how to read trading statements so you know which traders to follow before copying them. Now, if we jump over to MyFXBook, and the website is myfxbook.com, and I'll include that link in the description field below. MyFXBook is an application that synchronizes with MetaTrader 4 that allows traders to be able to automatically upload their trading statements through the app to showcase their performance in real time. So I'm signed into my account with MyFXBook, and let me just walk you through the process of how I would add another account to upload another statement. So if I click on Portfolio and then add an account, here you can see that I already have a statement uploaded. But if I click on Add New and then select MetaTrader 4 EA, it then would ask me to download the application and then install it on MetaTrader 4. Now, the great thing about MyFXBook is that it auto synchronizes every 5 minutes. So here you can see this statement was last updated 8 minutes ago. Okay, so what I did here is I put together a whole bunch of various statements so we can compare. And so now let me just walk you through all of the variables pertaining to the statement. That way you're able to understand and read and know which traders to follow. So the first thing that you guys should look for is whether the statement is a real account or a demo account. So it's very important that it shows real. Next, it will show the broker. So here with this statement, the broker is CMC Markets, guys. And if you want, you can sign up with CMC Markets by going over to cmcmarkets.com. And to register for their MetaTrader 4 application, you would select trading platforms and then select getting started with MetaTrader 4. And this will jump you over to where you can select open a demo account, and then you would just complete this application and you're able to open up a demo account with CMC. All right. So next, it's important to look at the gains, of course, but also notice how far back the statement goes. So here, this statement shows from January 20th, 2020 up until the present date. Okay, so this is about 4 months of performance, and it grew by 152%. So it's pretty impressive. It shows monthly gains of 29.74%. Drawdown, this is key, guys, to look at this, because drawdown basically means if, say, the account had 100,000, at one point the account would have been holding on to a negative position of roughly $7,600. Okay, so that's sort of the risk. So at one point there was $7,600 at risk. Okay, so that's very important. Next, we should look at their deposits and withdrawals, because what this shows is the confidence and commitment the trader has with the account itself. So some accounts we might find, let's see here, like this one here, this one has only $1,100, right? And this account goes dated back all the way until December 31st, 2013. So this is a 7-year statement, okay? But it's important to show, or it's important to look for the balance and how much they're actually trading. Let me try to find it. Here's one here where the balance is only $967, guys. Okay, so it grew by 222%. Sure, that might be impressive, but he's also trading a small amount. And so if you're able to generate those types of returns on larger accounts, those are more attractive to investors. Okay, so again, guys, if you want, you can go over to myfxbook.com, look for some statements and find the traders that you like, and then bookmark them. And then after watching them for several months or even a couple weeks, you can then contact them and learn more about their copy trading program. Some might only allow you to copy with their preferred broker, whereas others will allow you to join any reputable Forex broker that offers MetaTrader 4. And so if we visit this link here, manage.forex/brokers, and again, I'll include that link in the field description below, you can view hundreds of Forex brokers, and they all have links to their website where you can look them up, do some research, and see which broker is right for you. And while we're on this website, LEFTURN also offers copy trading. And what's great about them is that they allow you to test drive their copy trading program with zero risk by allowing you to connect a demo account. And so if you visit this link here, the zero risk test drive, all you need to do after you open up your demo account with one of those Forex brokers is you just fill out this form and enter in your MetaTrader 4 credentials provided by the broker, and LEFTURN will automatically connect your account to their copy trading program. And if anyone has any questions, comments, or concerns about their copy trading program, you can always reach out to them as well.